We're from Pieces to Pathways, and we're going to show you what's inside the Crystal Meth Kit. This is our safer Crystal Meth Kit. It comes with all of the items displayed here, except the sharps bin and the naloxone aren't included, but they're available at P2P. In the kit for the crystal meth use, there is an insert with information about how to prepare your kit, what the tools are, what is helpful for harm reduction, as well as on the back here, information about overamping and overdose, and some naloxone information as well. So there are the condoms and the lube for if you decide to have sex. There is the pipe and mouthpiece. There's some matches, the candlelight, there's gum, and as well as the alcohol pads that you're welcome to use. To prepare the meth bulb, what you can do is take the mouthpiece and the bulb pipe, just insert it on top of there like that. Doing this will help prevent the heated glass from not hurting your lips too much and give you a bit of space from the hot pipe. And as well, there's some gum to help stimulate some saliva from the stimulant use. And as well in the kit, there are some matches and a tea light that you can use. And I'll show a trick to light the matches. You just like rip off one of these little guys, then you flip the book over to have it close like this. Try to center the match between the line, and then you rip it out. There you go.
I did not know you could do that.
Yeah, it's very helpful.
I'm struggling with matches my whole life.
Many people are in the same boat. I was in the boat too until recently. A common problem with crystal use is bruxism and dry mouth and teeth issues because of it. And that's one of the reasons that we included the gum to help stimulate your salivary glands to make sure that you have saliva there to prevent dry mouth. And there's a lot of different things that you can do to help prevent that, including using electrolyte powder in drinks, drinking any like Gatorade or stuff like that that has electrolytes. Trying to avoid stuff that's acidic because although meth isn't acidic, a lot of additives that can be included in it are. So like using mouthwash directly after might not be good because you might have like some open sores from the acid from it. Some stuff that we recommend to have that aren't included in the kit are a sharps container for your used meth bulb.
So I know that we use sharps containers for used needles. Why would I want a sharps container for my meth pipe?
You can use it for any chipped glass, like including the pipe that you're using, but it's good to have on hand even if you find like needles around. And something else that's really good to have on hand is some naloxone, which we have available here of nasal and intramuscular kinds.
So if I'm smoking crystal, it's a stimulant. Why would I want to have naloxone with me?
You'd want to have naloxone because you don't know what is in your supply. Like there can be still some opioids, like the supply is very, very shaky, especially nowadays. So you really want to have naloxone on hand, like not just for yourself, but for who you might be around, including just strangers that might be just around. It's very helpful to have. Cool. And better to be safe. Oh yeah.
Excellent.